Hi, I'm Heather Engbers. I'm a research assistant with Ontario Soil and Crop Improvement Association. I'm here to talk to you today about our RAMI-funded project looking at drought resistance in field crops. The objective of this research was to look at ways that traditional row crop farmers can use soil monitoring equipment to measure the effects of drought on their soil. We were interested in seeing how, by taking some of these measurements, producers could understand their soil moisture availability from year to year, and specifically how different management practices could influence soil moisture availability. This is a probe that we have, longer probes than standard. They're 20 centimeter probes that are used to, you just take it out into the field, insert it in the ground, and you can get a percentage of soil water. This can be used very easily and would be fairly easily accessible for a farmer. This piece of equipment is a Rimic cone penetrometer. For the cone penetrometer, this is measuring resistance down the soil profile. So you would go out into the field and you insert the penetrometer. It'll beep if you're going too fast to a depth of, we're going down to 45 centimeters. And it comes up with, on the screen, it comes up with a curve of the penetration resistance. And we take this back and the data from this back and can relate it to the original graphs that we have on soil water availability. Of the 10 sites that we have in this program, we are comparing mainly 3 different management differences. We're comparing different rotations and how that affects water availability and soil structure. We're comparing tillage and how that affects the water availability in soil. And then also we have 2 producers where there's controlled vehicle trafficking, so an RTK system where it's continuously the same vehicle trafficking in the same area and how that affects the water availability for the crop. And thanks to RAMI, we've been able to conduct all this coring and field measurements for this year, for 2013, and we intend to continue this research into next year and continue our work with these producers and educating people about these new potential techniques for monitoring soil moisture.